Hey girl, so it is time for me to clean. I got the light on. Okay. It's time for me to go into this kid's bathroom and do a deep clean. They usually clean their own bathroom. I like to go in periodically and like really clean it. It's they two boys. Yeah, y'all already know. I can already see I'm about to be pissed. Oh, I can see I'm about to be. I'm just looking at this bathroom like, why is paper towels everywhere? There's a trash can in there. Anyway, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Life with Rogina. Today is going to be a clean with me, boys bathroom edition. Yeah, let's get into it. Let me go downstairs and get all my stuff because I need to mop and stuff up here and get my steam mop. I like to use my steam mop in here because it's boys and yeah. So let me go get my steam mop. Make sure I have some gloves and I'll be back. All right, y'all. This is what we're working with. I'm already annoyed. Why? See, this is what I'm not. Let's clean. Let's just clean. All right, y'all, we're gonna start by cleaning out this cabinet. It was a disaster. I don't know why there were so many Band-Aid wrappers. Just the paper. It wasn't any Band-Aids in there. It was just trash. So I'm clearing out this vanity and yeah.
Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull the drop tops out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', I GDM'in', yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed, I've been out of range, keeping it low, but I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Well, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so fair with it. You can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared for it. Instead of love out loud, since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. I'm a good catch, but I never let them catch me. No, I never let them claim me. Wild thing try to tame me, but you got my mood on sunshine. Let's take a trip, souls on big smile. Let's hit this flick, stars are in line. I'm posted, lay with me in the moonlight. I wanna be bold with it. Tonight they'll be calling us gold. No lies, so fair with it. Yeah, we can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared for it. Instead of love out loud, since we ain't going on. So tonight, baby, me, time is right. Our romance to be.
So now that the vanity is clean, we're gonna take everything off and put it in the drawers, organize everything so I can spread this bad boy down and disinfect it with Lysol and wipe it all down. And I'm not quite sure why they weren't throwing away the empty bottles. That was irritating the hell out of me. Like, why is there an empty mouthwash bottle here? Throw it in the garbage. Like, seriously.
Can't deny, love the things you do. But tonight, outside. Outside.
So anytime I clean a bathroom, or anytime I clean period, I just make sure I spray everything down first and let everything sit for a second, and then I wipe it down. I spray the entire bathroom because I want to make sure it is disinfected versus just like surface clean, because girl, it's a boy's bathroom. I mean, really.
In my dreams, I'm never over you. Just trying to stay alive. No matter how I feel or what I do, yeah, I keep on wasting time. And I'm just here until there's something new. Although it feels so right, yeah. Guess it's nothing left for me to do. Do the tears tonight.
Everything's sprayed down. Now it's time to wipe it.
I remember when I laid my eyes on you. I knew you would never be mine. Oh yeah.
And this is like the worst I've seen this bathroom in a very long time, y'all. Like, I was 38 hot. Seriously, I've never seen this bathroom this bad. I was pissed.
Keep it on the low, 'cause I don't wanna know. 'Cause I'm not ready to give it up. Yeah. Sometimes I am lying to myself, yeah. Because I need some time. It's a process I am in. Bad bitch, fast car never did. Slash waist pretty petite. Who is she like, bae? It's me. French kiss make it say we. Got 'em all like we. Bad bitch, fast car never did. Slash waist pretty petite. Who is she like, bae? It's me. French kiss make it say we. Got 'em all like we. Bad bitch, she got double D's, plus like 1 or 2 degrees. Take me shopping overseas. Who can do it just like me? Coke bottle the physique, fashion model but a G. Got a nigga spending green. He ain't sipping on no lean. Like who gon' tell me no? Keep me icy, make it snow. If he ain't tricking, gotta go. If that's your man, he my hoe. You know I get what I want. Play the back, I'm in the front. I ain't mean, baby, I'm blunt, but it's sweet just like a blunt. Bitches think they sipping tea about who I'm with, but they ain't know. Yeah, I make 'em all say we. He like, babe, let's make it we. I need a ring, I need a key, I need a diamond, make it bling. Told him get down.
So I'm going in with my steam cleaner to get in the cracks and crevices of this toilet, like that seam between the tank and the seats, all around the bottom, around the bolts at the bottom and all that good stuff. I just want to make sure all of that is sanitized and clean. So I sprayed the shower tub area down with the Scrub and Bubbles foam bathroom spray, I think that's what it's called. It's in a green can. I got it from Sam's. Love it. Works very well. It does have a kind of strong smell to it, so I'm just warning y'all. And I'm also using my OXO scrub brush. It is for either towel or the bathtub shower situation. I have 2 heads. So this is the scrub brush head, scrub, like I guess sponge head, and then I have a brush head that I can take off, and I use that to kind of clean around the floor and clean the tile when I don't feel like washing. I'm not washing. I don't feel like mopping. And I picked the brush up from Amazon. I will have it linked down below with the attachments.
No one need, he know he gotta pay that fee, bitch. Fast car never did. Slash was pretty petite. Who is she like, babe? It's me. French kiss make him say we. Got 'em all like we. Bad bitch. Fast car never did. Slash was pretty petite. Who is she like, babe? It's me. French kiss make him say we. Got 'em all like we.
And once again, there are more empty bottles in the shower. Empty shampoo, shower gel. I don't know why it's in there.
Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull a drop top out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', I GDM'in', yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed, I've been out of range, keeping it low. But I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Wow, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight.
So now I'm just steam mopping the floor, trying to sanitize and disinfect and clean at the same time. And this is a Bissell, I think it's called a steam shot. I can't remember which kind this is, but I'll link it down below. I can't remember their full name, but I love it because you can mop with it and you can use to steam clean your towel and stuff. It comes with like different attachments. But I will say, if you have issues with like carpal tunnel or the arthritis or something in your wrist, it's like very top heavy, so you have to have some strength in your wrists when you're using this. And this is the final result. Oh my god, it's so clean. Oh yay. Oh my god, I have to find something to put that plunger on because it being on the floor just grosses me out. But anyway, everything is so nice and clean. I absolutely love it. Thank you guys so much for watching and clicking on the video. I hope to see you in the next one. And I'm out. Bye.
They'll be calling us gold. No lie, so fair with it. Wanna tell you that I love you and much more, but I just can't find the words now. I don't wanna keep it to myself, but every time I open my mouth and stop by my pride, yeah. I'll be typing, then deleting. You must think I'm so confused. Baby, if you only knew the truth. Need the moment, need the minute, just as bad as I need you, even though I'm way long overdue. to plan the future way too fast. Why repeat it when it hurts so bad? Why repeat it when it never lasts? I'll be typing, then deleting. You must think I'm so confused. Baby, if you only knew the truth. Need the moment, need the minute, just as bad as I need